Salads 76. Pressed cabbage salad spice pattern. Basic. This is a very plain light salad, that goes well as a side course to a substantial main dish. The cabbage is very lightly pickled. From the salt and pressure, which softens it. The wakame doesn't affect the taste and adds nutrition. See the section on seaweed on p. 35. 4 sea cabbage, green, red or both. Finely chopped 2 teaspoons salt. 4 scallions, chopped 1 carrot, grated 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Wakame, soaked and chopped, optional, about 1/8 c total. 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix the cabbage and salt in a bowl, then place a plate that fits in the bowl over the cabbage, and place a weight on the plate. I use a half-gallon closed jar filled with water. Let the cabbage sit under the weight at room temperature for 8 hours. Drain the cabbage and squeeze it to wring out some of the excess moisture and salt. Combine with the remaining ingredients and toss. Chill and serve. Spicy cabbage salad spice pattern. Basic. 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cloves garlic, pressed or chopped. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. 1/2 c grated daikon radish or chopped red radish. 2 carrots. Grated wakame, soaked and chopped, optional, about 1/8 c total. 4 sea cabbage, green, red or both. Finely chopped. 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar. Combine ingredients and mix. I like to add them to the salad bowl in the order listed, mixing after each so that the spices blend. Chill before serving. Variation: use pressed cabbage instead of raw cabbage, and omit or reduce any added salt.